we were a fairly unchurched family, and I got involved in a church, evangelical Christian church, when I was a little kid, and went to seminary and all of that youth ministry for a while in the early 80s. And I was in this very, I used to call, I was in a very conservative fundamental Baptist denomination. And I used to refer to the Baptists as the Catholics of the Protestant world. No offense to anybody intended there, just meaning there was a very cloistered, very tight, systematic theological approach to what we believed. And something I found as I started getting older, that was satisfying for a while, until I started, and again, not condemning anybody or the faith itself, but when I started thinking outside that box, I said, wait a minute, there are questions I have that aren't getting answered here. One of them, it actually started with the name of God. The name of God used 3,000 times in the Old Testament, plus, 3,000 times plus, is the word Elohim. And that word all by itself, remember we talked about Nephilim and the im ending denoted plurality. El being the name of God, Elohim, meaning literally when you translate it, God among many gods. You probably went to church or Sunday school of some form, and most people out there did in America, especially if you're from my generation. We all learned about Noah and the ark, but very rarely, almost never, did I hear anything taught about the preamble to the story of Noah's ark, which is the story of the sons of God coming down to earth, lusting after human women, choosing any of them they wanted, having sex with them, and bequeathing the Nephilim.
What a bizarre story. When you think of the story, one of our guests, Steve Quayle, the Nephilim might be hybrids.
I believe they are hybrids. Now, of course, you have with a hybrid, you're planting corn, and if you plant a hybrid corn, isn't there something about that that's non-reproducible in that form? You have to go ahead and make the cross-pollination happen to reproduce it. Hybrid generally has a connotation that it's not reproducible after that point. So hybrid is maybe a bit of a misnomer if you use a modern definition, but yes, they were a hybrid race. What would happen? And of course, you have to suspend your thinking about, in a sense, kicking out the pride of science a bit and saying science might conclude this or skeptics might conclude this because it all falls into that realm of things I don't really know for sure and cannot prove by the scientific method. I mean, you can't bring a watcher and a human woman into the lab and, okay, go at it, and do a systematic, methodological, scientific study of them. So you have to look at the data that exists out there. It seems so fantastic for these things, but what we've done, I think, in our current culture, the way we think about spirituality, the way we think about stories like this, even the way we think about non-human intelligences and ancient aliens and extraterrestrials, we wash it all aside with this cultural notion that these things can't exist because they fall outside of the realm of the provable. And but I think what we have to do sometimes is suspend that scientific or skeptical mind and say, like Carl Sagan said, and I love this quote in his book, Human Haunted World. He said, in the introduction, he said, my parents instilled in me at a very young age two very amazing things. He said one was the need for the scientific method, and the second was a sense of wonder.